Hello, Kim Glenn here from Bubblin Glen Soapworks in Philadelphia. I make handcrafted soaps and skincare products using simple quality ingredients. All my products are handcrafted in small batches with food-grade vegetable oils and exotic butters, herbs, fragrances, clays, essential oils, and such. Together, they are the source of a delightful scent and experience for each bar of skincare product and soaps that we make. Our products are vegan friendly and tested on friends and family. So, how are you? I started making soap, I want to say the late 70s, maybe early 80s. I went to the library. I always was in the library. I went to the library and found a book on soap making. It piqued my interest. I read it from front to back. Then I read it again. I went to the hardware store, found some lye. I had some oils, and I started making soap. We didn't have stick blenders then, but I just stirred it until it turned into soap. It was kind of utilitarian. It wasn't nothing fancy. It was brown soap, and I loved it. Didn't think any more about it. Every time I thought about anytime I thought about it, I would make it again from time to time through the years. Fast forward to the 2000s, I wanted to make gifts for people. I went down and found another soap book that I had purchased sometime, in the past. Went through the book. I said, "Oh, I'll make soap for everybody to give out as gifts." That year, I gave out soap as gifts. People loved it. They kept saying, "Ooh, can I get some more soap? Ooh, can I get some more soap?" I'm like, guys, it was just a gift. I don't make soap. I don't do that. And they kept asking me for soap and asking me for soap. Next thing you know, I was making more soap, and I was making more soap, and over again, I was making more soap. And out of that came Bubblin Glen Soapworks. Just started out vending and going to all kinds of outdoors events, which also led me to want to find out other body products. So I make whipped body butter, I make liquids, body wash, I make lip balms, I make herbal salves, I make all kinds of stuff. But soaping is my first love. So that's just a little bit about me. Thank you for listening. I also want to say that I have learned so much from so many people over the years. I am so grateful to have learned from these people. And I also want to be able to do the same thing for other people. So I teach people that want to know what I want to know, what I know about. I'm always willing to share my knowledge. So thank you. It's Kim. People call me Bubblin all the time. That's so funny to me. People call me Bubblin. I am Kim Glenn from Bubblin Glen Soapworks. Have a great day and be safe, people. Love and bubbles. Bye bye.